Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Hope you are staying healthy at home. Today, our topic is determiner. A determiner is a word that determines or point out the noun that follows it. It means noun comes after determiner. For example, a book. A word is pointing out book. Book is a noun and a is pointing out book. Some other examples are some boys, a few difficulties. There are 6 kinds of determiners. Number 1, articles, possessives, distributives, demonstratives, interrogatives and quantifiers. Number 1 is articles. There are 3 articles: a, an and the. The words a and an are called indefinite articles. Why we call them indefinite articles? Because they do not point to any special person. A is used before words starting with consonant sound. As you know, the Varnmala in Hindi, we know Swar and Vyanjan. Swar is called vowel sound and Vyanjan is called consonant sounds. So, A is used before the words starting with consonant sound. For example, a girl. Girl. G is a sound is here. So, we have used a. Some other examples are a useful book, a one-eyed man. One. V sound is here. So, we have used a is here. Next is an. An is used before words beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an elephant, an umbrella, an honest man. They are the sounds of a, o. So we have used an. Now the next is the word the. It is known as the definite articles because it points to a specific person or a thing. It means it is used where we are talking about a particular person or thing. It is used before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges and group of islands. It is used before proper names of books. It is used before the names of newspaper and famous buildings. It is also used names of unique things like the sun and the moon. It is also used before superlative degree. Superlative degree, for example, is he is the best person. Best is superlative degree and we have used the before the superlative degree. It is also used before an adjective when it is used as a noun indicating nationality or a class. For example, help the poor. We are talking about the poor. It is a class or a race. Next is possessives. Possessive determiners means it shows possession or belongingness. It means the things which belongs to us. That is called possessive determiners. The words are my, our, your, his, her, its and their. These words used as possessive determiners. For example, put my book in her bag. Here, my word is indicating book. and her word is indicating bag. Next is distributives. It refers to each individual of a class. The words are either, neither, each, every. Either words are used when we talk about choice, means any one of two. We use either, and neither we use not one not the other, means in negative sense we use neither. Each and every, it's a meaning, it conveys the same meaning, but each is used for a small number, for an individual person, and every is used very small numbers, means a group of small numbers. For example, she has solved each sample paper at least twice. Now the next is demonstrate. It helps to point out specific noun. It means it pointing out what is with our near and far. There the words are this, that, these, those. For near, the things which are near to us, जो चीज़ें हमारे पास होती हैं, we use this as a singular and these as a plural. The things which we point out far, we use that and those. That is used as a singular and those is used as a plural. Next is interrogative. It is used to ask questions. When we ask questions, some words are used as an interrogative determiners. These words are what, which, whose, how much, and how many. Why we have used these words only? Because after these words, noun comes. For example, which sari should I buy? Which word is indicating sari? So, which is used as an interrogative adjective. Determiners. Next is quantifiers. It gives information about the quantity. Quantity may be countable and uncountable. The words are number one, some. Some and any. Both words are used with countable and uncountable. Some and any can be used with countable and uncountable, but some is used in affirmative sentences. For example, there are some children outside. This is an affirmative sentence, so we have used some. And any is used in negative sentence. For example, there are not some children outside. There are not any children outside. So, if there is a negative sentence, we use any. If there is an affirmative sentence, we use some. Some is also used in interrogative sentence when the answer is affirmative. For example, didn't he give you some money? There is a didn't is there, so the answer will be in positive, so we have used some here. And any is used in interrogative sentence when answer is in negative. We should remember this, some and any. Some is used in affirmative sentence, any is used in negative sentence. Some is used in interrogative when answer is positive. In interrogative sentence, when answer is negative, we use any. Any is also used in conditions if they are the clauses like if or whether. For example, I shall help you if you have any problem. Now, the next is